Cyber Sound Quest. Ugh, Mama, why is it so noisy today? ¿Qué pasa?
Ugh! Drivers are honking their horns, construction workers are drilling, and someone is playing loud music. Ugh! It might be invisible, but it's a type of pollution. Noise pollution. And it can cause problems for people, animals, and even plants.
I know! What can we do? ¿Qué hacemos?
We can find quieter ways to do things, like walking or biking instead of taking a car, or using headphones when you're listening to music.
Oh, and how do you know when something is too loud?
Not all sound is noise pollution. You can use a sound meter to measure how loud something is. If it's too loud, the meter will tell you.
Gracias, Mama. I'm going to see if I can make things quieter. Continue.
Come on, Dee Dee. The boss wants us to go around cyberspace and make lots of racket.
Ooh, like a tennis racket?
No, racket as in noise.
Oh, got it, Buzzy. Let's go make some noise.
Oh, no! Hacker told Buzz and Delete to go cause trouble for our friends. Oh, they're hiding things that make loud noises in different cyber sites. We have to stop them! Select a cyber site to get started. Practice. Oh, we can use Mama's sound meter to find all the noises Buzz and Delete are hiding. And Motherboard gave us this squawk pad with noise-canceling tools to help lower the noise. Vamos! Let's go help our first friend. Select the Continue button. Continue. Let's track down all the loud sounds to lower the noise pollution as much as we can. Use the arrow buttons, or click or tap in the direction you want to go in. Use the button in the bottom right corner if you need help finding noises. This is the sound meter. The needle moves up to a higher number when a sound gets louder. When it gets louder, that means we must be getting closer. It's a motorcycle! Let's use our squawk pad to see what tools we have to help lower the noise. Our squawk pad shows us tools we can use. Some tools will have a bigger number, which means they will lower the noise more, like using a quiet bike instead of a noisy motorcycle. Bikes are powered by people, much quieter than vehicles with noisy motors. Awesome! The sound dropped by 9 points when you selected the bike. Hit the Done button at the bottom of your screen to finish.
Oh, man!
You're undoing all our noise making.
We lowered the noise. This sound scoreboard shows us how loud the cyber site is with all the noises put together. We just lowered it down 9 points. From 30 to 21. The lower the number, the lower the noise, and the better your score. Let's find the other 2 noises. The needle is moving up to higher numbers, so we must be getting closer. You found it! It's a leaf blower! Sometimes you can add 2 noise-canceling tools together, so they add up to a higher number. A rake can do the same job as a leaf blower, but with much less noise. Pillow! A rake! Pillows can muffle sounds a bit, kind of like wearing earmuffs. Great! Que bien! The sound dropped by 10 points after adding those tools together. Select the Done button to finish lowering the noise.
Uh-oh.
The boss isn't gonna be happy about this.
We lowered another noise, and the sound scoreboard went down 10 points from 21 to 11. Now there's one noise left to find. But wait! We don't have any more noise-canceling tools. Use the Tool Finder button to help us find more noise-canceling tools. You can keep using the Tool Finder button as long as there are more noise-canceling tools to find. You found headphones! We can use this tool on the next loud noise. Now let's go find that last loud noise. You found it! It's speakers playing loud music. Headphones! If you use headphones, no one else will be bothered by the noise.
Oh, man!
You're undoing all her noise making.
That's all the noises. Let's see how we did. We found all the loud sounds and lowered them. The sound scoreboard went from 30 to 1. Amazing! Each new star will earn a new sound for your sound box. You earned 3 sounds for your sound box. Let's go to another cyber site to help some more of our friends. Vámonos! We unlocked a new cyber site. Stellandia. Stellandia. Soundbox. Stellandia. Bienvenidos! We're on hot, dry, and rocky Stellandia. And this is our small but mighty friend, Bernice the Beetle. Oh, Bernice is lost. All this loud noise is making it hard for her and her animal friends to find their way back to their families. Let's help them out by getting rid of that noise pollution. Select the Continue button. Continue. Tool hit. You found a bulldozer. Loud construction vehicles can disturb animals nearby and even cause caterpillars' hearts to beat faster. Digging with a shovel is much less noisy than a motorized machine. Select the Done button to finish lowering the noise.
Oh, no! Big problem!
The boss isn't gonna like this.
Let's find the next noise. Tool hint. You found soundproofing foam. Tool hint. Buzz's donut?
That's not gonna help you.
Tool hint. It's soundproofing foam. Tool hint. You found a special sound squasher! Motherboard must have hidden one in each cyber site. It gets rid of any noise you use it on. That's all the extra tools in this area. You found a car! Traffic noise can make it hard for animals like bats who rely on their sense of sound to find their way home. Hiking boots. A A sound squasher! Hiking, walking is great for your health, and fewer cars on the road means less noise pollution. Select the Done button to finish lowering the noise. Soundproofing foam!
No way!
You're undoing all her noise making!
Let's find the next noise. A box of Hacker Crunch cereal.
Bad for you!
That won't work on the sound.
You found a grinding machine. Noisy construction equipment like this can make it hard for animals to stay away from danger. This sound squasher is a super cyber tool that can get rid of any noise. Select the Done button to finish lowering the noise.
Oh, man!
The boss isn't gonna like this!
Amazing! You got 3 stars for lowering the sound level to 3. You earned 3 sounds for your sound box. Let's go to another cyber site to help some more of our friends. Vámonos! Continue. We're in the northern frontier. Parts of it are rocky and dry, but the forest is home to many animals. Our friend Big Feet the giant bunny lives here. Big Feet said there's a lot of loud music and noises disturbing the animals in the forest. Let's help by stopping the noise. Select the Continue button. Tool hint. You found soundproofing foam. Tool hint. You found a special sound Our squawk pad is already full of tools. It's a loud TV. Turning up the sound on a TV can disturb others and hurt your ears in the long run. A book! If you read a book instead, the only sounds will be the pages turning. Select the Done button to finish lowering the noise.
No way!
The boss isn't gonna like this!
Let's find the next tool hint. Tool hint. You found soundproofing foam. That's all the extra tools in this area. It's a dune buggy. The roar of this vehicle's engine is so loud, it can stop animals from eating and even make them lose weight. This sound squasher is a super cyber.
Oh, man!
You're undoing all her noise making!
Hackers watch.
That won't work on the sound.
It's a noisy video game. All those sounds can be fun, but they can disturb others trying to focus on their work or just have a conversation. Headphones. If you use headphones, no one else will be soundproofing foams. Select the done.
What?
The boss isn't gonna be happy about this!
Amazing! You got 3 stars! For lowering the sound level to 0. You earned 3 sounds for your sound box. Let's go to another cyber site to help some more of our friends. Vámonos! Select the sound box button to open it. Wow! It's sunny Ecotopia! Oh, I love its beautiful jungles, lakes, and mountains. Our friend Ollie here is a junior ranger. Ollie was telling me that there's drilling equipment causing a lot of noise and bothering the animals. I think we can help them out by lowering the noise. Select the Continue button. Tool hint. It's soundproofing foam. Tool hint. You found soundproofing foam. It's a drilling machine. Loud construction noise like this can cause headaches, high blood pressure, and other health problems. A shovel! Digging with a shovel is much less noisy than a motorized machine. Select the Done button to finish lowering the noise.
Uh-oh.
The boss isn't gonna be happy about this!
Let's find the next noise. You found a car. Traffic noise can make it hard for animals like bats who rely on their sense of sound to find their way home. A bicycle. Bikes are powered by people.
No way!
You're undoing all her noise making!
Let's find the next noise. You found a special sound squasher. Motherboard must have hidden one in each cyber site. It gets rid of any noise you use it on. That's all the extra tools in this area. It's a drilling machine. Loud construction noise like this can cause headaches, high blood pressure, and other health problems. This sound squash.
Uh-oh.
The boss isn't gonna be happy about this!
Amazing! You got 3 stars for lowering the sound level to 2. You earned 3 sounds for your sound box. Let's go to another cyber site to help some more of our friends. Select the sound box button. Hola! This is Radopolis, a cyber site full of skate parks and water slides. Our friend Slider is practicing for the big skateboard tournament here in Radopolis. But all these loud noises keep messing up his tricks. Let's help Slider get back out there and land all his tricks. Select the Continue button. Tool hint. You found a special sound squasher. Motherboard must have hidden one in each cyber site. It gets rid of any noise you use it on. That's all the extra tools in this area. It's a jackhammer. If you aren't wearing ear protection, the noise can damage your hearing in just 2 minutes. Digging with a shovel is...
No way!
You're undoing all her noise making!
Tool. That's all the extra tools in this area. shows are colorful like fireworks, but without the loud noises that can scare wildlife. Select the Done button to finish lowering the noise.
Oh, man!
The boss isn't gonna be happy about this!
Let's find the next noise. A digit-shaped chocolate? You found a jet bike. Its engine is as loud as a rock concert. Being near one can really damage your hearing. This sound
Uh-oh.
The boss isn't gonna like this!
Amazing! You got 3 stars for lowering the sound level to 3. You earned 3 sounds for your sound box. Let's go to another cyber site to help some more of our friends. Select the sound box button to open it. Perfectamundo. It's Perfectamundo, home of solar panels, beautiful parks, and the Crystal Dome. This is our friend Razzle. He's a scout. Razzle loves to invent things, but all the noise is ruining his concentration. Let's lower the noises so that Razzle can concentrate again. Select the Continue button. Tool hint. You found a special sound squasher. You found a wall of bushes and plants. I don't think we can go any further. Our squawk pad is already full of tools. It's a helicopter! Helicopters are so loud that you can hear them flying from miles away. Digit! Digit can fly you where you need to go, and he's much quieter than a helicopter. Select the Done button to finish lowering the noise.
Oh, man!
You're undoing all her noise making!
Let's find the next noise. You found a wall of bushes and plants. That's all the extra tools in this area. You found a tanker truck. Big, noisy vehicles like this can disturb wildlife and scare birds and other animals away from their homes. This sound squasher is a super cyber tool that can get rid of any noise.
Uh-oh.
The boss isn't gonna be happy about this!
Let's find the next noise. You found a barking dog. If it keeps barking, it might keep people and other animals from getting rest. Dog toys can keep dogs busy and stop them from barking too much. Select the Done button to finish lowering the bushes and plants can absorb loud traffic noises so they don't bother everyone in the neighborhood.
Oh, man!
The boss isn't gonna like this!
Amazing! You got 3 stars for lowering the sound level to 2. You earned 3 sounds for your sound box. Let's go to another cyber site to help some more of our friends. Vámonos! Mama, I used what you told me about noise pollution to help some friends.
Oh, that's great, mi amor. I'm proud of you.
I'm going to keep an ear out for any more noise pollution.
Bien, Inés.
Continue. Select the sound box button to open it. This is your sound box. It's a collection of sounds you earn when playing the game, just for fun. Get more sounds by completing levels and earning stars. Select buttons to play sounds. Go ahead, try it out. Select a button to hear a sound. Car. Hello, Jackhammer. Play beat 2. Play beat 1. Press one of these buttons to play a beat. Or press this button to record your